Hello everyone. So today we will be exploring another ChatGPT feature. So once you have logged in into your ChatGPT app, just ensure that it is updated. So in the top left, you will see two lines. Just click on it, and here you will see some options. You have to click on Explore GPT's. Once you have clicked on Explore GPT's, you will have some options related to topics, writing, productivity, research and analysis, education. You can pick any of the option that you would like to explore. So you have so let's explore this one, image generator. So most of the features do require the subscription, but let's see. Start a chat. We can also use the conversation starters or the suggestions given by the ChatGPT app. Okay, start chat. Okay, let's create an image of a futuristic city, or create an image of Mahakumbh festival happening in India. Let's see what happens. So it uses DALL and other image generator LLMs. So it is processing. It has already enhanced the prompt that we have provided. A vibrant depiction of the Mahakumbh festival in India. So it is happening. As of now we are speaking, it has started today itself, Mahakumbh festival. And here is the picture. It is vibrant, yes. We can enhance it, because when it comes to prompts, yes, it is an iterative process. You need to keep on improving your prompt if you are not getting the desired result. So our image is generated. It is taking time to load. So we have the option of saving the image and sharing it as well, and of course view prompt. And we can also give a feedback to ChatGPT whether the image was generated as per our expectation, or the prompt that we have provided, or it was not up to the mark. So here you can see Kumbh festival. It is, yes, the crowd is there. There are priests, people are praying. So it is illuminated. Quite good image. We can say that. So that's it. So keep trying. There are more options which you can explore, and we will be exploring together in the coming days. Thank you very much. Do not forget to like.